Hello everyone, this is Avan again. As you guys already know that Conquest is going on, so I thought to make a video on Conquest to share some tips, especially with my Alliance ITA in 405. Most of the people would like to know what tips are there. Obviously, these tips are not for the seasoned players because they may already know all the stuff. First of all, I would suggest you guys do not hit anything a lot bigger than you. It would end up making you a trash like this. And secondly, you need not to move around everywhere, and you just need to, if you want to locate a tower where you can plunder, you just go to a side bar tab. Okay, and here are the list of all the kingdoms you can go. Let's see, click on the clear and tower, and it will give you the coordinates of all the buildings that have the ores. Let's go there and see what we have. Here you can see there are all the buildings that have the ore. And the second thing is, now we need to assess that should we go over there or not. This is something like everybody would like to scout, but you need not to scout it. You can see here, go ore storage, and it will give you, it has like 437k troops in it. So if you can hit it, go hit it. And then here are 469. However, there is another thing. Look, like here we see that it contains 469k troops, but when you see the capacity of the troops, it's 1.4 million. So it means like it's a castle which do not have much capacity, so it would be like a 35 or maybe 36, so people can hit it and can take it easily. So there are a lot of things, a lot of towers that contain lesser troops, that contain the lesser castles, and you can go and can easily hit them. And there is another thing that is about healing. When you hit something, obviously you get some wounded troops. So if you like to heal the wounded troops, let's see, cancel it. So you guys can see I have a lot of wounded troops, and the wounded troops would take me like 24 hours and 30 minutes. So I want to boost my healing. Let's see how we do that. Okay, first of all, we change talents back, and now we see it again. It is overall a 27 hour and 33 minutes. Let's change some few things in the castle, and we will see how we can reduce this time. First of all, we would go to the gear, change your gear, get a winged ham of rage. It would increase your healing capacity by 45%, healing speed. Now get a ring of dispel. It would get you a healing speed of 22%. Now we would like to change the talents would contain, like here we have 5% healing speed, and then we have another 20% here. So overall the change of talents gives you 25% of the healing speed. Now there is another thing that we'll need to change, that is hero. Appoint a hero, like you can appoint Morgus, you can appoint Halvus, you can appoint Yvain. So I would appoint Morgus because I have that in fullest capacity. So now let's see. As you can see, we reduced from 27 hours to 16 hours, 16 or 17 hours. So this would increase your healing speed or reduce your healing time. One thing more, I would request you guys, I would suggest you guys to heal your troops in patches. Don't heal them, if you heal like 16 hours, what's the point? You will not have any more time to play. Okay, so there is another point. There is another point, which is everybody likes to plunder more, and I have few suggestions for that. If you want to plunder more, you need to have you need to occupy a tower which has more ore. Like here we can see in the picture, I am occupying a tower which contains like 116k ore, and it is giving me ore at the rate of 1164 per 60 seconds. And now let's see another tower. Here in another tower it has like 99k ore, and it is giving me ore at the rate of 999 per 60 seconds. So you can see that with reducing the amount of ore, it has reduced me giving the rate of ore. Okay, and the other thing is plunder alone. If you plunder with few guys, the amount of ore given to you would be divided in all 3 or 4 guys which are, you know, occupying the tower. Like we both are occupying a tower over here, and the ore given to us would be divided according to the ratio of our the number of troops in the tower. So guys, I hope this video will help you in the next conquest, and I would definitely like to share something more on the conquest next time. At the end, I would request you guys to subscribe the channel and do like the video if you like the content, and if you have any suggestions to let me know. Thank you very much.